This video will demonstrate how to download a digital personnel license from the Digital Aviation Document Download service. After you register and sign into the service, you land on the Digital Document Download page. The download page allows you to view your licenses by clicking on the license names. And to download a license to the GC Wallet app, select the license or licenses you want to download and press the Add to Mobile button. On the next page, review the license and press Continue at the bottom of the page. How you add your DPL to your device depends on how you're accessing the website. The direct connection option can only be used if you are accessing this page on the mobile device where you installed GC Wallet. In this case, press the Open in GC Wallet button. The service will request to open GC Wallet and present the Add to Wallet screen. The Scan QR code method is used when you want to add your credential to GC Wallet by scanning a QR code with your mobile device from another device, such as a desktop computer. For example, if you're accessing this page on a desktop computer, open the GC Wallet app on your mobile device and use it to scan the QR code. The service will connect to GC Wallet and present the Add to GC Wallet screen. In the GC Wallet app, complete the process of adding your credential to GC Wallet by pressing the Add button. After you accept, the license card is shown in your GC Wallet, and you can tap the card to see your license information. Return to the Digital Aviation Document Download service in your web browser to complete the process. If you are downloading a second license, you will repeat the same process. Review the license, press Continue at the bottom of the screen, choose the same method to start the download to GC Wallet, for example, the direct connection, and then use the GC Wallet app to accept the credential and add it into the wallet. After you have finished adding all the documents you selected to GC Wallet, return to the site in your web browser where you will land on the Success page. If you need to download additional licenses, you can return to the download page and repeat the process.